So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see a live visualization of global shipping routes. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser where you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, open a fresh web page and here you have to search for shipmap.org. Just simply go to this website. The site may take some time to load depending upon your internet speed. Once it gets loaded, now here you can see when you play this, I will
Attention.
pause it. Here you can see the all the global routes that are available on the oceans, and you can start the playback from here as well. There, these all routes are from the past, like these routes are from 2012, and all the routes are defined right here. You can explore any of the route you want to explore. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.